Hey y'all, welcome back to the sawmill.
Today we're gonna start on the sawmill shed finally. And first we've already got some posts set and we've got to build a beam today. So y'all stick around for that.
And then later on, we've had some people ask us about our outdoor kitchen. So we will take you around and show you some of the things that we have cut to use in there. So hope y'all enjoy this video.
So we're building a beam. We're gonna do it like a laminated beam. We're taking cut some true 2x10s, and then we got some 3/4 inch plywood. We're gonna put it on here, put down some construction adhesive. Take another 2x10 that I cut, put it on top, sandwich them all together, screw them all together, and it should be good.
So you ready? All right. So here's a little tour of our slice of heaven and paradise. So this is obviously where we keep all of our noodles and floats and kids' toys and all this stuff that goes in the pool. But when we're not using it, it's in here. This right here, one of our friends made it. It has rentals, Key West, 402 miles from here, 5 o'clock somewhere. And then Wesley, he took and he added a few boards. Our hunting camp, his sister and brother-in-law, his in-laws, to the beach, to El Jabin, where we used to go. His sister and brother-in-law own it now. Our best friends down in Fort Myers, the Strains. And you never have to have a shirt and shoes to come here. Our friend Stacy made this. It's always 5 o'clock somewhere. So no matter what time of the day it is, you can always have an adult beverage in your hand. Our little ice cooler. Our little Key West flag, because this is the theme, a Key West theme. We put in the double doors. Got the window that we can, from the kitchen, we can pass food through if we need to. If there's something that we have to cook inside and can't cook out here. The tin on the bottom we got off of our old barn. So we repurposed that. These are just pallet boards that he took off, threw some spray paint on there, and just randomly put them up there. Him and both of the kids surf. So this is his surfboard that he surfed on when he was a teenager, right out of high school, probably. The middle one is our daughter's, and the one on the far end is our son's. So we just clean them up when we get ready to go surfing, clean them up, and take off. This is our outdoor bathroom that I love. He put me air conditioner in it because it gets really hot in the summer. Everybody that comes signs the wall, no matter what you put on there, but you got to sign it. At first, I didn't want him to do it. He had come up with that idea, and I was like, heck no, that wall is too pretty for people to ride on. Well, he rode on it one night when he was out here by himself. I don't know why he was out here by himself, but he was. And if you will look right there, Joe Main even signed it. And there was somebody else that was with them. Who was it? No, it wasn't that one. That was Gary Hash that did that. Where's it at? Oh, right there. Walter from Georgia. So I think he is affiliated with Wood-Mizer as well. So, and the tin from on the ceiling come from the barn as well. All the wood that is along on the back wall, a friend of ours cut that on his sawmill. My dad, that is no longer here with me, that is his deer that he shot in Georgia. These signs right here, the three, and then the Freeport Harbor, Wesley had went and did a storm trip when a hurricane come through and completely pretty much wiped out the whole electrical grid down in the Bahamas. His company went down there and restored power. That's some of the license plate that he found and brought back with him. I have my own sign business, and that was the first sign that I ever done. Not very good compared to the way I am now, but he won't let me replace it and make another one. So our pit boss that we just absolutely love. It don't matter what you cook on it, it's going to be good. Then we have our Blackstone griddle here. We have our two burner stove, gas stove, our little sink area. These shelves Wesley cut on the sawmill. The table, the countertop right here, he also cut from a pine tree that we cut down. Got from, where did we get it from? Oh, it did come from the old farm. And the refrigerator, it has ice, some more adult beverages, all kinds of stuff in the refrigerator. If you have a business or you have stickers for whatever, send them to us. I'll link our address down below. Y'all can send them to us and we'll put them on our refrigerator. The light, one of our best friends made that for us. The RumLife is the name of our pool area. So she made that for us, and that's probably one of our favorite things out here. A lot of the signs I made. Um, the no working during drinking hours. Again, our friend Stacy, she made that. And I'm sure we're probably going to get asked. Yes, it gets dusty. It gets very dusty out here. So when we get ready to cook, I just rinse it off and go with it. A little dirt ain't never hurt nobody. So, and then the countertop, we also, the bar top, also cut out of the same tree that the countertop back here was cut out of. And you can see we got a lot of, lineman stuff up here. So it's not fancy by no means, but we have had some really good times out here. So that is a tour of our little slice of paradise, slice of heaven. And if y'all have any questions on how we did something, because Wesley did all this stuff by himself. The only thing that he didn't do was the pool and the pavers, and of course the screen. But everything else he did, he built himself. So hope y'all enjoyed the tour. Let us know what you think. And if y'all are ever around in Plant City, maybe y'all can stop by and have a drink with us one day. Well, we got the beam put up. It has been another extremely hot day. We took a couple breaks, had a little pool time to cool off, went and had lunch, come back, took a nap, and then he came out and did a couple things. We still need to cut the tops off and set 4 more posts, but we are one step closer to getting it done.
27 foot 3 inches.